Hello everyone, so today I've got an unboxing video of this brand new Oppo A12 in blue. So yeah, let's take a look around the box before going inside of it. On the front of the box, you have a couple of pictures of the phone, Oppo A12. Right up here it says Oppo, and right up here it says 3GB and 32GB. That refers to the RAM as well as the storage respectively. On the top of the box, you have the barcode, QR code and whatnot. On the sides, it says Oppo. Nothing on the bottom. And on the back of the box, you have the specifications regarding the phone, the barcodes, your number, manufacturer's address, and all that stuff. So, I have a penknife right here. Let's get inside the box. Okay. Alright, nothing in here. Right on top, we have the SIM card ejection tool. This looks to be the instruction guide, user's manual, whatever you want to call it. And this one is a safety guide, as it says down there. And there is also a case, which is nice. Further inside, we have the phone itself. The blue is actually quite striking. That aside, put this partition aside as well. Right here we have the charger. It is USB-A, so no USB-C for this phone. And right on top we have the USB-A to the USB-A to micro USB cable. Okay, so let's take off the plastic. And this sticker right here. Flip it over and let's do a quick first boot up. Okay, so English United, English United Kingdom. Next, terms of use, continue. Connect to Wi-Fi. Let me just enter the Wi-Fi password. Okay, I've already entered the Wi-Fi password. Now automatically select the best Wi-Fi. Let's just continue for now. Okay, now it is checking for updates. Copy apps and data, don't copy. Google account sign-in, skip for now. Skip. Okay, Google services. Okay, accept. Okay, settings. This is for the password. Let me just enter it and I'll be back. Okay, so I've entered the password And it has also asked me for the facial recognition unlock thing, but I'm not gonna use that, so I'm gonna add a fingerprint. Let me just add it right here. Continue. Okay, done. Continue. Software update. Don't update for now. Set as new Oppo phone. Add market. Skip. Welcome. And get started. Okay, so that's it for the first boot up. Alright, so that's it for the unboxing video of this new Oppo A12 in blue. Thanks for watching and goodbye.